Repeat after me. Hello. Hello. Table for one, please. Table for one, please. Thank you. Thank you. This table is perfect. This table is perfect. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I would like some water, please. Yes, I would like some water, please. Still water, please. Still water, please. Yes, I am ready to order. Yes, I am ready to order. I would like a chicken sandwich. I would like a chicken sandwich. Yes, please, I would like fries with that. Yes, please, I would like fries with that. And a small salad, please. And a small salad, please. Grilled chicken, please. Grilled chicken, please. Yes, ketchup, please. Yes, ketchup, please. Thank you. Thank you. This looks delicious. This looks delicious. Yes, everything is great. Yes, everything is great. Yes, I would like dessert. Yes, I would like dessert. I would like chocolate ice cream, please. I would like chocolate ice cream, please. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Keep the change. Keep the change. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Repeat after me. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Of course, please follow me. Of course, please follow me. Here is your table. Here is your table. I will bring the menu for you. I will bring the menu for you. Here is the menu. Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? Still water or sparkling water? Still water or sparkling water? Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Would you like fries with that? Would you like fries with that? Anything else? Anything else? How would you like your chicken? How would you like your chicken? Do you want any sauce? Do you want any sauce? Your food will be ready in a few minutes. Your food will be ready in a few minutes. Here is your food. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Would you like dessert? Would you like dessert? Chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Of course, I will bring the bill. Of course, I will bring the bill. Here is your bill. Here is your bill. Take your time. Take your time. Thank you for visiting our restaurant. Thank you for visiting our restaurant. Have a great day. Have a great day.
Great job. Now you know real English used at the restaurant. Practice these sentences again. Listen. Repeat. Speak with confidence. In the next video you will learn English at the coffee shop. See you in the next lesson.